Hey guys! Welcome back to the channel, Cyclist Emoji. Today we're checking out a sleek and powerful commuter e-bike that's turning heads, the Pikabike 1500W electric bike for adults. Right pointing finger emoji. Before we get started, if you're thinking of picking this up, make sure to check the link below for the best deal available right now. Limited stock, so don't wait. High voltage sign emoji, powerful performance, 1500 watts peak motor. The Pikabike is no slouch. It comes with a 1500 watts peak brushless motor, giving you serious acceleration, hill climbing power, and a top speed of 28 miles per hour. Whether you're cruising city streets, climbing moderate slopes, or beating traffic, this e-bike gives you all the power you need. Battery emoji, long ride range, up to 65 miles. Equipped with a 480 watt-hours removable battery, you can expect up to 65 miles on a single charge when using pedal assist mode. It's perfect for daily commutes, grocery runs, or just long weekend rides without range anxiety. And with the removable design, charging is as easy as popping it out and plugging it in at home or work. Wheel emoji, smooth ride with 26 inches tires plus front fork suspension. Thanks to the 26-inch tires and a responsive front fork suspension, you get a super smooth ride on everything from paved streets to rougher roads. Small potholes, cracks, or gravel won't bother you. The suspension absorbs shocks effectively for a more comfortable and stable experience. Gear emoji, 7-speed Shimano gear system. Shift gears seamlessly with the 7-speed Shimano transmission, letting you adjust your pedaling and speed depending on terrain and riding style. This makes it perfect for both urban and slightly rugged rides, more control, less effort. Red octagon emoji, safety and smart features. Dual disc brakes for strong and reliable stopping. Bright headlight and rear reflector for night riding. LCD display showing battery level, speed, and distance. Sturdy frame and ergonomic saddle for long-lasting comfort. Bullseye emoji, ideal for daily city commuters, college students and urban explorers. Riders looking for a balance between speed, comfort, and practicality. Speech bubble emoji, final verdict. The Pikabike 1500 watts electric bike is a powerful, stylish, and incredibly practical e-bike designed for adults who want performance without compromising on comfort. With great range, solid speed, and city-ready features, this bike is perfect for both beginners and experienced riders looking for a reliable daily e-ride. Link symbol emoji, grab the latest deal on Pikabike here.